Okay guys, here's the package. I got it from Spencer's online. Let's unbox this. This is another Cartman plush. Okay, I'll go get a tripod. I'm gonna use with a Happy Meal box as a tripod. Okay, I got the Eric Cartman plush newer version since the store is sold out. From South Park. I don't know if this is not Eric Cartman, but we'll see. This is a newer version. We're gonna replace the new Elinor Friends character. I don't know what is this in here. You know what? I'll go get a scissors. There we go. Sorry, everybody. It's trying too hard to open. Oh, there we go. I don't know how this will open. You know what? Let me get a scissors. I don't know where's the scissors. Oh, there we go. There we go. I see something. Let's see if this is original. I think I feel the tap. Hold on, is this thing on? Okay. Alright, here it is. Oh, this is the original version. Yep, let's see what it is. I think it's it. Yep. Here's the original. Wow. Yep, this is from Putney. I think this is from Putney. Alright, here it is. Here's the original Eric Cartman. Okay. Let me move this away. Oops. Guys, looks like we got the original Eric Cartman versus the old version. I got it from February. This is we're gonna replace the newer version. Let's put the separates. This is the old Eric Cartman plush. I'm gonna bring this to Boston too, but I'm like the old Elinor. I just bring that to Wildwood, New Jersey, and let's take a picture of Elinor. Okay. Here it is, guys. Here's a new Eric Cartman plush, which is cost me. I'm not gonna tell the cost because I don't want to get doxed someone's prices. All right, that will be it. Nice sunny day here. White Plains. We got a new Eric Cartman plush. Let's go. Eric Cartman. Wow, this is nice. For the first day. Yep, this is your first day. Okay, let's go to Mario Pizza. Yep, let's go to Mario Pizza. I forgot to film it since 2023 because I deleted, but we'll make a new one instead. I forgot to upload it because I was too busy with the other stuff last year. Anyways, let's start to film. Let's go. Okay, here it is. Mario Pizza. I had to blur the phone number because I don't want to get doxxed. Alright, we're at Mario Pizza. Yep, let's go get some pizza. It's me, let's go. Alright, well. What do you think, Eric Cartman? Nice, this pizzeria is nice, I don't know. Yeah, let's wait for the food, kids. What does this do?
Are you certain?
No. This clock. Wow, regular. 13. Eric Cartman, what did you do? Oh. Look at this clock. Here's the pizza. Also, we're gonna wait for a clock chime too. I don't know if it's gonna work. Too hot. This pizza is good. What do you think? What do you think, Butters? Yeah. And Stan? Stan? Good. And what about you, Oh wait, Candy's at home. What do you think? Nice? It looks nice. Agreed. Nice pizzeria. Alright, we're gonna wait for Westminster's. This pizza's good. Now, as a bonus, we're gonna film the clock, which is almost 4.
Incredible source to use as an educator.
Oh, it doesn't sound.
To watch it, the kids like to do it, and it's learning, real learning.
Alright, that was fun. Yeah. Alright, let's go. This pizza is nice. Yeah. But bad news, guys. Sam Ash Music Stores is closing until July. I don't know when we'll be closed. Let's go anyways. Pizza is awesome. That's awesome. Okay guys, let's go. Well, the City of White Plains is nice. Wow. Let's go guys. Yeah, great. Okay. That will be nice, everyone. Wait, where's Katie McCormick? I better go find him. Feed your happy. I need to go find him. Right now. Right now. Wait. Katie McCormick is lost. No. It's okay, guys. We'll go find him. Okay, team. Let's get to work. Well, looks like we lost Katie McCormick, Caillou. Yes, Dad. I know it. Where's my? I want some. Pups. No more. Stop. Okay, no more kisses. Sorry. Apology accepted. Well, that was nice. Okay, guys, let's go find Katie McCormick. Okay. Maybe he's at home. Okay, guys, we got Kenny. Sorry I left him at home. Yeah, but that was a nice pizza. Okay. Now let's go. Let's go somewhere else. Okay. Alright, everyone. That was nice. Yeah.